We have shampoo, we have conditioner, we have oils, we have creams, we have deep conditioners, we have pre-shampoo, and so much more. But what do they help our hair with? Yes, it might be overwhelming to hear all of these products, but they each have a significant role to help with our hair. Let's start with pre-poo, which is short for pre-shampoo. This gives your hair a protective layer of moisture before you shampoo your hair, so the shampoo doesn't strip all the moisture from your hair. It also makes your hair softer and helps with detangling. Some products you can use is African Pride pre-shampoo, flaxseed gel, okra gel, and aloe vera gel. And this is so helpful when you want to prevent breakage from the new growth that you have from your protective styles. Especially whenever I use flaxseed gel, like my comb just glides through my hair and I don't have much breakage, just minimal breakage, which is normal. Shampoo helps to clean your hair and unclog the pores on your scalp by removing any dust, excess oils, product buildup, and sweat left in your hair. This allows your scalp to function properly and your hair to absorb moisture better. So if your hair's been feeling dry and you spray water on it and it still feels dry afterwards, that probably means you need to shampoo your hair. The companies you can get shampoo from is Auntie Jackie's, As I Am, African Pride, Cream of Nature, and Mikala. Conditioner helps to nourish and moisturize your hair. It helps to prevent breakage and split ends, and it allows your hair to be softer, which makes it easier to manage. Some companies you can buy conditioner from is Miel, Auntie Jackie's, Cream of Nature, As I Am, Cantu, African Pride, and Mikala. Deep conditioner, similar to conditioner, nourishes and moisturizes your hair, but it does a better job as it penetrates further into your hair shaft, which allows it to prevent damage, improves hair elasticity, and it makes your hair softer. The products you can use is Sheer Moisture, Auntie Jackie's, Mikala, and Miel. Leave-in conditioner also moisturizes and nourishes your hair, but it's mostly used when you're in protective styles and your hair is feeling a little bit dry, but it's too early to wash your hair. The products you can use is Cantu, Sheer Moisture, Auntie Jackie's, Mikala, and Miel. Oils protect the hair from breakage, act as a sealant, and a protective layer from environmental factors. Some oils you can use is avocado oil, rosemary oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, argan oil, and tea tree oil. Help your hair to be moisturized, stay soft, and be easier to manage. This is mostly used when styling your natural hair. Where you can get creams from is African Pride, Sheer Moisture, Auntie Jackie's, and Mikala. Protein treatments help treat and prevent further damage and hydrates your hair. This is done as it has proteins like keratin, which are in your hair. What you can use for this is rice water, Auntie Jackie's, Sheer Moisture, and Mikala. Bond building helps replenish broken bonds in your hair. It makes your hair more stronger and elastic. The products you can use is Oplex, L'Oreal, and hair masks, which include avocado, aloe vera, coconut oil, honey, and fenugreek. Lastly is water, which hydrates your hair.
If you use natural ingredient hair masks, they actually work as a 3-in-1 treatment: a deep conditioner, a protein treatment, and even a bond building treatment. This is especially true if you use ingredients like yogurt or Greek yogurt, which are rich in protein and nourishing compounds that strengthen and repair your hair from inside and out. My personal favorite products are Aunt Jackie's, Mikala, Shea Moisture, and African Pride. This is because they're worth their money as they're really, really good products.